Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily delete your TikTok account permanently. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. First of all, open up the TikTok app on your phone and then tap on your profile on the bottom right corner, and then tap on the menu on the top right corner of your screen. And after that you'll have to tap on the gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your TikTok account. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on account on the top of your screen, and then tap on deactivate or delete account, and then tap on delete account permanently. Now it will take you to this page where you'll have to select a reason why you're deleting this your account. You can also skip this option, or you can simply choose any of these. It doesn't matter really. Now tap on continue, and if you want to download your data you can tap on request download, and if you don't want it you'll have to tap on continue and then tap on continue again. And if you want to delete it, are you sure to delete, because you can always recover your deleted TikTok account within 30 days, and after 30 days it is permanently deleted and it is unrecoverable. So you'll have to tap on continue if you want to delete your account, and at the last stage you'll have to verify your Apple ID or email address that you've used for your TikTok account, and then your account will be scheduled for deletion. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video,